You won't be considered lazy for using these shortcuts. Here are my top 10 useful and incredibly helpful keyboard shortcuts for those who use Windows. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I've got all my quick tips and helpful hacks over at CyberGuy.com. I'll break down any tech questions you got there, plus that's where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Not only are you going to save time and increase your productivity with these tips, you're also going to save your wrists some pain by avoiding using your mouse so much. So first up, press the Windows key plus the letter L to quickly lock your computer. Whether you're just stepping away or want to save time by putting it into sleep mode or someone's approaching, these two buttons will quickly lock your screen. You'll need to have a password already set up on your Windows device to work, which I highly recommend you do anyway for your own personal protection. Next, tap the Windows key and then the letter D to reveal the desktop automatically and minimize all open windows. You can tap Control plus the letter E to select the navigation search bar while you're in a browser. And did you know you can save out of and close any program with a tap of 2? Press the Alt button plus the F4 button to close the entire program and be prompted to save if needed. Next, use this handy shortcut to find something on any page or document with text. Simply tap Control and the F key, and a search bar is going to appear for you to type in to find any particular name in a document or a keyword on a web page. Put away the mouse and forget having to click through different windows. Quickly show all the open application windows by simply tapping the Alt key and the Tab key. Continue to hold down Alt as you press Tab until you've highlighted the window you want to bring to the forefront. This is one of the older tricks in the book, but it's still super handy to copy anything. After you have the text selected that you want to copy, tap the Control button plus the C key. You can also use the copy, Control plus C, method on other things on Windows, such as files, photos, or a folder. Now that you know how to copy without having to go through all the steps with your mouse, paste the text, file, folder, or photo just as easily. Select where you're going to put the text, or select where on your computer you're going to paste a file, folder, or photo, etc., and then press Control and the V key to paste. This is a handy shortcut to select all of the text on a page or document. Simply select all of the photos in a folder, or maybe it's all of the names on an Excel sheet. Whatever it may be, you can easily select all on Windows by simply pressing the Control key and the A key. Finally, this is the best shortcut of all. If you've made a quick typo while typing something out, we've all been there. Whether it's a long email you accidentally typed over or a list you deleted accidentally, whatever it is, undo it by pressing the Control button and the letter Z. For more tech hacks, head to cyberguy.com and tap that red button to sign up for my free newsletter.